Plant FAQs. Hollywood hibiscus. What is a Hollywood hibiscus? Hollywood hibiscus is a line of tropical hibiscus plants known for their vibrant, long-lasting blooms and compact growth habit. These hibiscus plants come in a variety of bright colors and are bred to be disease-resistant and more tolerant of different growing conditions compared to traditional hibiscus varieties. See more 439 species in genus Hibiscus at monsteraholic.com. Where to buy Hollywood hibiscus? You can buy Hollywood hibiscus at local nurseries, garden centers, and big box stores like Lowe's and Home Depot. They are also available from online plant retailers and specialized plant nurseries. Is Hollywood hibiscus a perennial? Yes, Hollywood hibiscus is a perennial in USDA hardiness zones 9 to 11, where it can survive year-round in the ground. In cooler climates, it can be grown as an annual or brought indoors during the winter months. How to care for Hollywood hibiscus? Here's a guide to keep your Hollywood hibiscus thriving. Light and location. Full sun is ideal. Hollywood hibiscus needs at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily for optimal flowering. In very hot climates, some afternoon shade might be beneficial to prevent scorching of the leaves. Place your plant outdoors in a warm and sunny location. Watering. Water regularly to keep the soil evenly moist, but not soggy. These plants are thirsty and don't tolerate drought well. Allow the top inch of soil to dry out slightly before watering again. During hot weather, you might need to water daily, especially in containers. Soil and potting. For container planting, use a well-draining potting mix. A mix formulated for flowering plants or cacti will work well. You can also create your own mix by combining potting soil with perlite or orchid bark for added drainage. Ensure your pot has drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Fertilizing. Feed your Hollywood hibiscus regularly during the growing season, spring and summer. Apply a balanced fertilizer formulated for flowering plants, following the recommended dosage on the package instructions. You can use a liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength and applied once a week, or a slow-release fertilizer applied according to package instructions. Avoid over-fertilizing, as it can damage the roots. Trimming and pruning. Regular pruning is not strictly necessary, but can be beneficial for maintaining size and shape. You can prune lightly after flowering to remove spent blooms, dead or diseased branches, or to encourage bushier growth. When pruning, use sharp, sterilized pruning shears to make clean cuts. Pests and diseases. Watch out for common garden pests like aphids, mealybugs, and whiteflies. Neem oil solution or insecticidal soap can be used for control. Fungal diseases like powdery mildew can occur in humid conditions. Ensure good air circulation and avoid overhead watering to minimize the risk. Overwintering for colder climates. Hollywood hibiscus is not frost-tolerant. In colder climates, zones below 8, it's best grown as a container plant that can be brought indoors before the first frost. Provide your plant with bright light and warm temperatures, around 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, indoors during winter. Reduce watering frequency, but don't let the soil dry out completely. You can take cuttings in late summer or early fall to propagate new plants and overwinter the mother plant indoors. Additional tips. Deadheading spent blooms can encourage further flowering throughout the season. Hollywood hibiscus responds well to regular misting, especially in dry climates. Repot your container-grown hibiscus every 2 to 3 years or when the plant outgrows the pot. Is Hollywood hibiscus hardy? Hollywood hibiscus is hardy in USDA zones 9 to 11. It can tolerate some heat and humidity, but is not frost-tolerant. In cooler zones, it needs to be protected from cold temperatures and can be brought indoors during winter. Are Hollywood hibiscus poisonous to dogs? No, hibiscus plants, including Hollywood hibiscus, are generally not toxic to dogs. However, consuming large amounts of any plant material can cause gastrointestinal upset in pets. How big do Hollywood hibiscus get? Hollywood hibiscus plants typically grow to about 3 to 4 feet in height and width, making them well-suited for containers, garden beds, and landscaping. How often to water Hollywood hibiscus outdoors? Water Hollywood hibiscus outdoors regularly to keep the soil consistently moist. During hot, dry periods, this might mean watering daily or every other day. In cooler weather or during rainy periods, water less frequently. Ensure the soil drains well to prevent waterlogging. Why is my Hollywood hibiscus leaves and buds dropping off? Leaves and buds dropping off your Hollywood hibiscus can be caused by several factors. Water stress. Either too much or too little water can stress the plant, leading to leaf and bud drop. Temperature fluctuations. Sudden changes in temperature, especially cold snaps, can cause bud drop. Pests. Infestations by pests like aphids, spider mites, or whiteflies can cause stress and leaf drop. Nutrient deficiency. Lack of essential nutrients can lead to poor plant health and dropping leaves or buds. Improper lighting. Too little light can cause the plant to drop buds and leaves. Ensure your plant has consistent watering, is protected from extreme temperatures, and is free from pests. Regular feeding with a balanced fertilizer can also help maintain its health.